Welcome to Casa Vivicia, a luxury vacation rental located in the exclusive Los Ranchos gated community in Punta Mita, Mexico. Featuring architectural digest, Casa Vivicia is a masterpiece of contemporary Mexican architecture. Designed by renowned Mexican architect José Virgil, whose work is widely renowned for its inspiration from the legendary Luis Barragán. I am Regina from Beaver, and Nico is behind the camera, and we're so excited to take you around through Casa Vivicia. So come along with us as we explore this unique beachfront home. Its name Vivicia is a phonetic interpretation of an Afrikaans phrase meaning by the sea, a perfect reflection for its stunning oceanfront setting. This stunning villa seamlessly blends modern luxury with Mexico's natural landscapes. Using natural materials like wood and stone, José Virgil creates spaces that exist in perfect harmony with their surroundings. Casa Vivicia achieves the perfect balance between communal and private spaces. The home is made of 4 independent haciendas connected by marble walkways with overhead parota wood trellises with concealed glass, creating a natural flow between spaces, leading to a stunning central courtyard. The home features 6 luxurious bedrooms thoughtfully designed for comfort and tranquility. 3 stunning oceanfront master suites, each with a king-size bed, separate sitting room, spacious indoor-outdoor bathroom with twin showers and bathtub, walk-in closet, and a large open-air shower. One of the suites extends across 2 levels, offering a private courtyard and an upstairs office that opens up to a terrace. 2 jungle view suites offer king-size beds, private patios, walk-in closets, and ensuite bathrooms with twin showers and bathtubs. Plus, a private 2-story tower suite is perfect for nannies, staff, or teenagers, featuring 2 twin beds and an ensuite bathroom with a shower. Each bedroom is equipped with modern comforts, including a TV, safe, and stocked beverage center. Expansive glass doors seamlessly connect the interior to the lush surroundings, enhancing the villa's open and airy feel. The main living area boasts 25-foot ceilings and sliding glass doors that seamlessly blend the indoors with the outdoors, offering unparalleled views of Banderas Bay, the Marieta Islands, and the majestic Sierra Madre mountains. Casa Vivicia is a true expression of both modern design and traditional Mexican hacienda elements, embodying the essence of timeless beauty and tranquility. The outdoor amenities are just as impressive, featuring an infinity pool, hot tub, outdoor dining area with grill and a bar, and a fire pit. Plus private access to 170 feet of white sand beach and exclusive access to Con Gusto, a 60-foot Italian luxury yacht with a licensed captain, chef, and an optional local guide. Set sail for unforgettable adventures, from cruising crystal clear waters to seasonal whale watching. Additional features of Casa Vivicia include a home cinema, well-equipped gym, expansive office with terrace, and digital audio system throughout the property, plus 2 SUVs with a private driver. The villa is fully staffed with a dedicated 9-person team, providing 5-star service and attending to every detail, ensuring a seamless and unforgettable stay. Guests of Casa Vivicia enjoy unlimited access to Punta Mita resort facilities, including the Punta Mita Beach Club, tennis courts, Jack Nicklaus-designed golf courses, and more. Thank you so much for watching. What was your favorite part of the home? Leave us a comment down below. We would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more amazing property tours. We hope you liked the tour. Until next time.